up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about building a push notification database with iZooto. iZooto, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it looks pretty awesome. So I was looking for native ad traffic networks. Through the native ads, which you know I've been doing lately, I stumbled upon this software which basically allows you to build your own push database, which is really cool, which I just want to make a video about because it interests me. In the afkforum.com, there's tons of people talking about building their own push databases. You can easily monetize it, very, very easy, all GDPR compliant, and the top brands use it. So that's why we're going to have a look at it. So build, engage, and retarget your audience with web push notifications. Web push notifications are the new must-have for e-commerce for user engagement and retargeting. iZooto makes it simpler. I'm just going to say iZooto because I think that's how you pronounce it. So they have for Shopify, this one, publishers, product tour, playbooks, dynamic retargeting, automation, personalization. You have different case studies available, which I always like to have a look at the case studies. Although they're a little bit of advertorials, I always like to have a look at that to see at least what the options are. So as you can see, they have tons of case studies available for you to go through. Different pricing levels, which surprisingly is not even that expensive. So you can have 2,500 subscribers for free. Obviously it contains then the iZooto branding, which is okay. Then you can up to 75,000 what the fuck am I saying? 5,000 subscribers for $75 a month, which is, I would say, pretty good. Then for publishers, it's free for life. Pricing that works for publishers, and bloggers free. The plan is meant for you. Start engaging, monetizing your users with targeted, deliver news content in real time, blah, 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 blah. Which obviously for your blog, if you have a channel where a lot of blog traffic comes through, it's interesting. Then enterprise levels, you can help pushers to users to buy, etc., etc. And like, I mean, the push traffic is pretty cool, and yeah, pretty interested in setting up something like this actually, especially that the price is not expensive at all. So monthly pricing, if you have like 100,000 subs, it runs like 650, which is pretty good. This is the only one I've looked at so far. I'm sure there are more options available, maybe more expensive options, more cheaper options, but this is the one I stumbled upon. It looks quite good. So you're currently on the trial of the advanced plan, 14 days left in your trial. Sign up and add a site. Integrate the JavaScript, send your first notification. So you can see the browsers, subscriptions, unsubscriptions, device types, geographic distribution, recent campaigns that you've sent out. What's this? I think it's a help document, maybe? Yes, it's just the news. Here you go to your profile, and I connected my Dabru website just to check it out. Then you can send notification. Basically, it's like an email list, but then it's like a push database, right? So your title, message, icon, landing page, image, buttons, UTM parameters, set notification to expire, select audience, schedule. So you can desktop subscribers, mobile subscribers, new subscribers, right? Campaign reports. Have a look at all the data you gathered, which is obviously one of the most important things. What is the click-through rate? How many clicks? What was the action taken? You can create separate audiences, and that's what I would like to have a look at, because the segmentation there is obviously very important. You can do per event, so no event found. Maybe you have to make like custom events for this. So maybe purchase happened in the last 30 days. That would be so cool if that's possible. Click here, how to pass on user shit. So they have like a very big help section with all the information you might need to do that. This is pretty cool. All right. Then subscription prompt. Oh yeah, your website wants to show notifications, allow or block. How it works. Configure prompt with custom content. Okay, can you change this? Oh, this is the GDPR compliance. Seek permission. Yes, of course. Track location of subscriber only visible to EU subscribers. So basically it's already all done, right? Oh, hang on, I switched it off. So what would that look like? In order to do relevant personalized notification, we would like to capture your location website activity. And they have to press agree. That's good. Change prompt. How can you change it? To native, dialogue. This is pretty cool. I would want to make them a little bit more aggressive by changing the copy, but I think that's not allowed. But yeah, it looks, I would probably go for this one. It looks good. Or this one. Like, no, you don't want to do like full screen. That's like mad annoying. Like sticky header, that might be nice. Because it's a little annoying, but you want people to sign up, right? So I think this is the normal one, but I would do this one. Or I like this one a lot. GDPR. Let's see what that one looks like. Man, I really like this idea of doing this. Okay, sticky footer. Yeah, I probably want to do it in a footer. Don't want to do it in a header. Central. Nah. Okay. Then you have settings. Integration, API key, apps, general, invite users to your push list. So you can add users. Oh, you can only add users for the control. Right. Right. Interesting. Well, I see that this has quite a bit of potential if you're building like your own push database. I can see this going places. So yeah, if you want to build your own push traffic database, you have a website where you can collect leads or I don't know, maybe funnels or whatever. If you have traffic, that's it, of course. If you have traffic and you want to monetize it with push notifications, this is a great tool. It's not that expensive, and I think it could be super profitable. Let me know what you guys think about this. If there are better alternatives, leave them in the comment, because I've already read in the AFK forum that there's tons of options available actually about this, but I didn't know. So I'm going to explore those. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.